So we basically just went shopping for about 2 hours. He took us into a bunch of random markets, and we were on the hunt for like a painted elephant, which was like inlaid with camel bone, but it was too much money. We might end up getting it later on. And now we're gonna go check out this India Gate. But we gotta cross this road first. Look at this traffic.
It is crazy, huh?
And everybody honks their horn too, non-stop. Wow. Does this light even turn red? How do we cross the street? I said, how do we cross this road? She was falling asleep in the car, pretty jet lagged. We did get like 3.5 hours of sleep last night though. It rained pretty hard yesterday before we showed up. So they said that, who said it really cleared the skies? The lady from the hotel earlier?
Yeah.
Kind of flushed out some of the pollution, so now the skies are blue. Normally it's pretty hazy, I guess. You go that way. The men and the women go in different lines here as well. They're probably gonna take this. Last time they took my microphone off my camera. Kind of pissed me off a little bit, but what do you do? They show us how much they care. You got security things and they beat for every single person going through, and nobody even cares what you have, so it doesn't even matter. Yeah. I was saying, so much for security. It beeps after everybody goes through there and nobody says anything anyways. Nice. India. And the entry. Everybody wants to take your picture. Excuse me.
बोलो 100 रुपीस हुआ 100 रुपीस हुआ
What does it say if the dead of the Indian armies who fell and honored in France and Netherlands? So it's basically a soldier's memorial. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this light.
Very nice.
Okay, this thing.
No, I'll keep looking, but thank you.
And the bed is fine. Don't interrupt also. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Okay, 550.
जब खड़ी है तू चूड़ी देख ले।
वो से
We're gonna walk back when we come back.
Thank you.
अभी बहुत घूमना है
100?
150.
Hold on, let me see some real quick. Let me look at some real quick.
I want the one like she has on her.
Okay, 155.
Yeah, henna.
No, no.
Just 2 minutes, madam. Nice looking, red color. 1 week stay the color.
How much for that?
150 rupees. Up to here.
How much is that, Mitch?
150.
What did she say?
$2. We'll come back. That's it. Well, we're running.
Well, Mitch, I don't. No, because listen, I want a different style.
Okay, 3 piece 100.
9.
Okay, 3 piece 100.
Okay, sir, why not doing henna?
103.
Why not?
3 piece 100. Okay.
Later.
103. Okay.
No.
3 100.
She doesn't want it.
Okay, just try not to this one.
No.
100.
It's okay. I want a different style, honey.
Different design with this be like. Okay, 100.
These ladies don't like to give up.
Okay, 100.
Go find a different style.
Nahin.
Okay, this different style. This be like okay, 100.
Henna, hello sir. Henna.
Okay, 4.
This is walk.
104.
No, it's okay because I want a different. I want a different
This
style.
be like nice. It's style.
Here, listen. I don't want to be mean, so stop.
Okay.
Okay. No.
100.
Nahin. No. Go.
No.
Why no? It's natural henna, sir.
I know.
It's natural. So why not your wife like it? It's one
okay.
week stay. More nice. It's red color coming like this. No problem. You just try. yourself. No problem. You
It's
just
okay. It's okay. No, thank you.
Just try. Small. You look. Just make it. Like it. Then
No, it's okay.
Picture? Alright.
come.
The little girls here that try to sell you things hassle you very hard. So if you're not interested in buying it, just say nahin, which means no a bunch of times. Meanly, and they'll walk away. Panorama.
Yeah, I keep messing it up though. Cause look at this.
Oh yeah, that's good. Alright, what's that? No, I'm good. It's okay, thank you.
I keep.
Still at it.
1 minute. No problem. 1 minute.
It's a hard bargain.
No problem. 1 minute.
So how was that experience for you?
You irritated me. I'm just kidding.
She got mad at me because I don't know why. Because the girls fucking wouldn't leave us alone. No, it's pretty cool at India Gate.
I wouldn't mind having some of those banglets, but I don't want those ones. And
I like those ones better than the fake jewel looking ones. Little wood bands.
well, I don't know, but I wouldn't. Even if I did want them, I wouldn't buy them off of her because of.
Yeah, they just hassle you really hard, even when you say no 15 times. I mean, it's kind of like anywhere else in the world that has little people out trying to hound you over little souvenirs, but
Which is fine. They're doing what they do, but
Yeah.
you could, like, there's a point.
yeah, after 5 minutes when you say no, there's a point where you just gotta be like, all right, you're done. Which the word for that is nahin chaiya, I learned, which means I do not want it, basically. So I kind of want to put that to use now. Could walk back through.
No.
But yeah, the India Gate, I think it's I'm not positive on this, but I think it's like a war memorial for all the soldiers. I think it said lost their lives in the Netherlands and France in the war. World War II, I'm assuming that when they helped out. So yeah, India Gate War Memorial. Such a lively city right now. Can't beat having a balcony rooftop view either. This is If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know this is kind of what I look for when I'm finding a place to stay. Gotta have a good view of the city. It's perfect. But it was loud though. Got about 4 hours of sleep last night. Went to bed about 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're up by 8 o'clock. But I probably woke up 5 times just from honking and yelling, dogs barking. Which is, I'm not saying that's bad. I'm just saying it's like a whole sensory overload coming here. Between all the senses and smells to get the cows in the streets. We spent the entire day just roaming Delhi. Gotta switch our room here apparently because there was, I think she said something about bombings that happened recently, which we showed up and there was riots like 3 days prior to us coming. And I'm not sure how far away it was. I think it was like in northern Delhi, but the whole Hindu Muslim riots going on. So I was kind of nervous about showing up, but they said it was safe. And from what I've seen, I haven't seen any issues, but they said something about the 4th floors on all hotels need to be shut down, if I heard it right. So we're gonna go down to the 3rd floor. Something about a balcony, and I'm not sure. I don't want to say anything wrong and have it be incorrect information, but it's just what she said earlier. And our driver today, Singh, who's amazing, he took us everywhere. To the Indian Gate, the Jamal Mosque, went to Chowndi Chowk, Spice Market. That was really cool. Well, you guys seen the video, you know what I mean. Coming from Sioux City, Iowa to something like that, it's totally just off the charts of like what you expect in a place. He got us a 6-pack of beer. We're just gonna relax. I think we're gonna roam down the road, and there's a little bar, restaurant, lounge down there. We're gonna go check out. And then we gotta be back to get a 3 a.m. pickup and off to the Taj Mahal tomorrow. We're gonna probably get another 3 hours of sleep tonight, but that's what it's worth, you know. I'm tired, but we only have a couple days in one spot. You can't waste any minutes of it. Tomorrow's gonna be a very special day, so stay tuned. Taj Mahal for the first time. I've always wanted to go since I was younger. Ever since I watched Indiana Jones as a kid, I've always wanted to go to Taj Mahal. And you're gonna want to stay tuned tomorrow to watch this because I think I'm gonna pop a question tomorrow to Tessie. She doesn't know yet, but it's gonna be a very special day. So this is the end of the first day in Delhi. We'll see you tomorrow from the Taj Mahal. Later. Just got a quick little dinner at a place called True Blue, right? Had some hot wings. I had some,
a marinated chicken leg.
Yeah.
Like
I thought kebab was like a burrito, like a shell burrito.
I thought it was like a shish kebab.
I thought it was a shish
meat
kebab.
on a stick.
I guess we're both wrong. It was actually like wrapped up in tinfoil, but it was like a really marinated chicken leg. Tasted kind of citrusy, I guess, but it was really good. And we had 2 huge beers. She had a drink, 2 big meals, and it was like $14. So stuff down here is super cheap. Pretty sure the beer cost more than the food.
Yeah, it was just the first local thing that we did on our own too. So
Now we're on a little rickshaw. Yeah, we're gonna go. This morning at the hotel, a lady told us, "Oh, accident."
not even though, it doesn't even bother them. That's why they
I
don't
know, I
care.
just about ripped his bumper off. But this morning at our hotel, the lady told us to check out the Imperial Hotel, which is supposed to be like a 5-class or 5-star like best hotel in Delhi. So we're going in class. We're gonna get a nice drink and see what it looks like.
And then wake up at 2:45 for the Taj Mahal.
2:30. Wake up at 2:30. So we'll get about 3 hours of sleep tonight and then off to the Taj Mahal tomorrow. All right, let's check out this hotel.
Mine's gone already.
So we made it to this Imperial Hotel, which is like 5-star, extremely fancy bar, restaurant. All marble, bathrooms, floors, everything pretty much. Just looked it up, it's like $300 a night. Which
we're gonna book it.
Yeah, we're thinking about just booking it and staying here tonight, actually. It might be worth it. Actually, not tonight, it has to be tomorrow since we're getting up in 4 hours.
We're just joking, not doing that.
No, it's really fancy though. I'm glad we found this place. Good recommendation by a couple we met this morning. Super expensive though. It's like $20 a drink, but it's worth it. You can at least get 1 or 2. And yeah, gonna enjoy a night here and probably just head home. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow from Taj Mahal. Later.